जेका 2024 এর সম্ভাব্য অ্যান্সার কি নিয়ে আজকের এই ভিডিও চলে আসছে সরাসরি কোশ্চেনে। কোশ্চেন নম্বর 1, which among the following cannot used for polymorphism? Option A, static member functions. Question number 2, if there are 32 segments each of size 1k bytes, then the logical addresses should have option D 15 bits. Question number 3, in software engineering the tester does not know the internal design of software application in case of black box testing. Option B. Question number 4, what is the output of the following C code? Option D 6. Question number 5, dash is a measure of the degree of interdependence between modules. Option B, coupling. Question number 6, the permission RWX R minus minus R minus minus represented in octal expression will be 744. Option B. Question number 7, what will be the output of the C code? Option A, true. Question number 8, what is the output of the following code snippet? Option D, 30. Question number 9, which of the following is an example of the classification problem? Option C, predicting whether a customer will churn or not. Question number 10, what is the output of the C program? Option A, 0 and 2. 11, what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? Option A, supervised learning requires labeled data while unsupervised learning does not. 12, which command changes a file group's owner? Option D. Question number 13, if a file has read and write permission for the owner, then the octal representation of the permission will be option C, 6. In an ER diagram, an entity set is represented by a rectangle. Option A. 15, what is the output of the C program? Option C, false. Identify the incorrect constructor type. Option A, friend constructor. 17, which of the following feature is shown by function overriding? Option D, inheritance. 18, what is the output of the following code snippet? Option C, no. 19, which of the following is or are not shared by threads? Option A, stack. 20, dash specification is also known as the SRS document. Option C, black box. 21, which one of the following is a synchronization tool? Option C, semaphore. 22, when a process is in a blocked state waiting for some IOT service, when the service is completed, it goes to the ready state. Option D. 23, a process is thrashing if option B, it spends more time in paging rather than in execution. 24, environment is not among the 8 principles followed by the software code of ethics and professional practice. Option B. 25, option B, heap sort with time complexity big O n log k. 26, in a relational database, what does the term ACID stands for? Atomicity, consistency, integrity, and durability. Option A. 27, which of the given statement is the correct recurrence of for the worst case of binary search? Option C. 28, which of the following statements about primary key in a database table is true? Option C. Primary keys can contain null values. সরি, এটা অপশন ভুল আছে। Primary keys are used to establish relationship between tables. Option D. Sorry, এটাও ভুল হবে। Option B, a primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. Option B. 29, which of the following data structure is required to convert an arithmetic expression in infix form to its equivalent postfix form? Option D, stack. 30, making class members inaccessible to non-member functions is an example of data hiding. Option B. 31. A clustering index is defined on the fields which are of types option A non-key and ordering. 32. Right answer option C. 33. Which of the following is a popular of applications such as storage of log files in a database management system since it offers the best write performance? Option B. RAID level 1. Question number 34. Which of the following statement is correct? Option B. In order traversal of binary search tree gives sorted list. 35. Which of the correct statement about operator overloading? Option D. Associativity and precedence of operator does not change. 36. Which command is used to set the three permissions for all the three categories of users of a file? Option C. 37. Which command is used for printing the current working directory? Option D. 38. When several processes access the same data concurrently and the outcomes of the execution depends on the particular order in which the access takes place is called race condition. Option A. 39. Baud means the rate at which the signal changes. 40. Option B. 41. Which one of the following is a deadlock avoidance algorithm? Banker's algorithm. Option B. Which command 42. Which command is used for displaying the beginning of a file in Unix? Option D. Head. 43. Option C. 44. What is the result of the following postfix expression? Option A. 16. Which one is the following does not have a net ID and host ID? Option D. Class D. 46. Which command is used to extract specific columns from the file? Option B. Cut. 47. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for routing and forwarding packets? Option A. Network layer. Layer 3. 48. Option D. 49. A deadlock avoidance algorithm dynamically examines the resource allocation state to ensure that a circular wait condition can never exist. Option D. A port address in TCP/IP is 16-bit long. 51. Option C. Theta of n square. 52. In IPv4, network ID and host ID in class A. Option A. 8 bits network ID, 24 bits host ID. 53. In OSI model, encryption and decryption are functions of the presentation layer. Option C. 54. Virtual memory is normally implemented by demand paging. Option A. 55. Which of the following sorting algorithm will be the most efficient if elements are already in sorted order? Option C. Insertion sort. 56. VPN server is used to create a secure tunnel connection. Option B. 57. Option A. 58. Hamming code is used for both error detection and correction. Option D. 59. What is the worst case complexity in inserting a node in double linked list? Option B. Big O bracket N. 60. ROM is a combinational circuit. Option A. A computer with 32-bit wide data bus uses 4K x 8 static RAM memory chips. The smallest memory this computer is 16 KB. Option B. Each stage in pipeline should be completed within one cycle. Option A. Relational calculus is a non-procedural language. Option B. 64. What is the output of the following code snippet? Option C. 65. 65. An artificially intelligent car decreases its speed based on its distance from the car in front of it. Which method is used? Logistic regression. 66. The keyword friend does not appear in option C, the private section of a class. What is the maximum number of level 2 DFD possible if the number of processes in level 1 DFD is n? Option C, n square. The small extremely fast RAMs are termed as cache memory. Option D. 69. Partitioning. Option D. 70. How many parameters does a default constructor require? Option C. 0. 71. What is the output of the following C program? Option C. Compilation error. 72. How can you display a list of all files including the hidden files? Option C. 73. Which C keyword is used to extend the visibility of variables? Option C. Extend. 74. Which of the following should not have transitive dependency? Option C. Third normal form. 75. Regression is a type of supervised learning. Option A. 76. The store and forward mechanism is used in message switching. Option B. 77. The RSA is an asymmetric key encryptic cryptographic algorithm. RSA. Option A. 78. What is the purpose of the confusion matrix in machine learning? Option C. To evaluate the performance of a classification model. 79. Option C. DMA controllers. 80. What is the output of the following C program? Option B. 27 and 4. এটা কম্পাইলার টু কম্পাইলার একটু ভেরি করতেও পারে, অনেক কম্পাইলারে 60,6 অ্যান্সার আসছে। থ্যাংক ইউ।